So, good day, magandang araw. Today we will integrate the following expression 2 with respect to y over 3y minus 4. So, to integrate this expression, we will use the u substitution in which we will let u be equal to the denominator, which is 3y minus 4. Assuming that we could find the derivative, hanapin ang derivative nito, which is du over dy. Ang derivative ng 3y minus 4 from differential calculus, of course, is 3. Assuming that, makuha natin that dy is equal to du over 3. Okay, so we already have the value of dy, which is du over 3. Now, we could already substitute it to the equation. Now, substituting into the equation, we will have the integral of 2 over 3y minus 4, in which si dy ay magiging du over 3. So, let's put that du and then 3. Okay. Now, let's rearrange the equation, giving us 2 over 3 du and 3y minus 4. Now, from here, makita natin that we have constant, which is 2/3. And alam naman natin that when we integrate, inalalabas natin ang constant. So, 2/3, the integral of du over 3y minus 4. And another one, from the properties of integration or integral, alam natin that the integral of 1 over u du is equal to ln u. So, assuming that, we will be able to have the answer, which is 2/3 ln 3y minus 4 plus d. That is the final answer.